Good day and welcome to my channel on EU Directive and ISO standard for recreational crafts. Today we are speaking about the WIN code or the Watercraft Identification Number, previously known as the HIN or Craft Identification Number, even earlier known as the HIN or the Hull Identification Number. The ISO standards that we're going to use to analyze this is ISO 10087. So let's analyze the code. A WIN consists of 14 characters plus a hyphen without intervening spaces, slashes, spaces, anything. The first two characters followed by a hyphen designate the code of the country of the manufacturer. So for example, ZA for South Africa, DE for Germany, TH for Thailand, etc. The next three characters are the unique manufacturer identification code, also known as MIC. A manufacturer is any natural or legal person who takes responsibility by placing the product covered under the ISO on the market. This MIC code may be a unique code of the manufacturer or a code of a national authority or a recognized organization such as IMCI. These characters may consist of numeral and or letters except for the numbers 0 and 1. Manufacturers outside the EU must register the three letters, the MIC code, with a European entity. IMCI can, for example, help you to register this code with the German authority. The MIC exists as long as the manufacturer exists, so you can build as many boats and mark them, or as many models as you want with the same MIC. If you do a post-construction assessment, that's different. Then IMCI will supply you with the WIN starting with BE0609. Just contact us for more details on this post-construction situation. The following 5 characters indicate the unique serial number of each craft. The serial number may consist of numerals and or letters, except for the letter I, O and Q. The last 4 characters designate the month and year of manufacture and the model year. The month of manufacture shall be coded as A for January, B for February, C for March, and so on and so on. The year of manufacture shall be identified by the last number of the production year. The model year then is a 12-month period during which the craft is intended to be placed for the first time on the market and shall be identified by the last 2 numbers of the year in question. Let's look at the fashion industry, for example. They will show you the 2020 collection during a fashion show in Paris in autumn 2019, but they will call it the 2020 collection. Well, it's the same for a model year. It is not the year the model was designed. It is the year that you intend to place it on the market. Very important. Then size, the characters shall be at least 6 mm high. Where shall it be placed? Well, the WIN shall be visible on the starboard outboard side of the transom or near the stern within 50 mm of the transom top, gunwale, hull deck joint or capping, whichever is the lowest. On craft with the transom, the WIN shall be located on the starboard side of the transom. On craft without a transom, or with a transom on which it's impractical to locate the WIN, The WIN shall be affixed within 300 mm of the stem. On catamarans, the WIN shall be located as follows. Hulls which are structurally permanently connected, there it shall be on the starboard hull. Hulls which are detachable but regarded as the primary structure, then the WIN shall be on both hulls. Hulls readily removable and or replaceable on the aft cross beam within 300 mm of the starboard hull. This also applies to catamaran type pontoon boats. On trimarans, the WIN shall be located on the center hull. On inflatable boats, the WIN shall be affixed on the rigid aft cross beam or the motor bracket within 300 mm of the starboard hull attachment. If the WIN is not readily visible due to the construction of the boat, it might be applied additionally to some other suitable structure of the boat, such as the console assembly. Rails, fittings and other accessories shall not obscure the WIN located as specified above. If the design of the small craft would result in this, the WIN shall be located as near as possible to the required location to be visible. The duplicated WIN. A duplicated WIN shall be affixed to a non-removable part of the craft in a hidden location, only known by the manufacturer. The duplicate WIN shall be located in the interior or beneath the fitting or item of hardware. Catamarans shall have this hidden WIN in or on both hulls. The WIN should be located so that it's extremely difficult to reach and modify. Additional information is displayed on the craft or can be displayed on the craft within 50 mm of the WIN. It shall be separated from the WIN by means of borders, or it shall be on a separate label so that it will not be interpreted as part of the WIN. For example, the US does not allow you to have a country code. So if you also export to the US, you will have to add a code which could be identical but without the country of manufacturer in front. So then you need the two codes next to each other. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.